In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Trello Calendar View. Trello is an excellent tool for organizing tasks, projects, and workflows, and being able to see everything laid out in a calendar helps manage timelines and deadlines really effectively. So, whether you're collaborating on a big project or just trying to keep track of your personal tasks, the calendar view can be a huge help in visualizing your workload. We'll begin by navigating to your Trello board. Once you've opened your board, you'll want to direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface. Here, right next to the Trello board's title, you'll find a small caret icon. It may look inconspicuous at first, but this tiny icon is your gateway to accessing different views for your board. Clicking this caret not only opens the door to more options, but also enhances your overall productivity by enabling you to visualize tasks in ways that best suit your needs. After clicking on this caret icon, you'll see a drop-down list. This quiet little menu is where all your view modes are housed. Among these options is one marked as Calendar. Selecting this view is the next step. Simply click on the word Calendar and the magic begins. This view allows you to shift from a list-based perspective to a visual, time-oriented layout. Once you switch to the Calendar view, you'll immediately notice a transformation in how your tasks or cards are displayed. Instead of being arranged as lists, they populate onto a calendar. This transformation allows you to visualize task durations across days, weeks, or even months. It brings a clearer understanding of how your workload is distributed over time, making it easier to plan ahead, allocate resources, and ensure that all deadlines are met without overlap or conflict. Besides just seeing when tasks are due, Calendar View allows you to spot possible bottlenecks or periods of high activity. This foresight into your schedule is invaluable for project planning and time management. It helps in spreading your tasks out more evenly and avoiding last-minute rushes. For those who are used to managing purely from a list-based view, this calendar perspective can be a game changer in terms of anticipating needs and staying on top of everything. This is a straightforward yet powerful tool within Trello, and it's all right there at your fingertips. By following these simple steps, you've unlocked a tool that can redefine the way you visualize and manage your projects. So, whether you're managing a team, organizing an event, or just trying to get through a busy week, Trello's calendar view is there to make the process smoother and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps bring clarity and organization to your Trello board usage.